Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to start or get a Shopify free trial and how some people unlock after 19 days free with no credit card required in some cases. If you want to build your online store without paying upfront, keep watching. So first of all, how the Shopify free trial works. So here's how it works. Shopify normally gives new users a 3-day free trial, and sometimes they run special promos for 30 to 16 or even 19 days free, especially during big sales seasons or partner promotions. Then this means you can build your whole store, add products, customize your theme, test everything without spending a cent. The best part, in some countries you don't need a credit card to sign up. Just create your account and get started. So first of all, we are going to unlock our 90 days free. So how do we actually unlock this longer free trials? Option 1 is you just need to go to the Shopify free, and you will check your official promos. They change often. So here you can see that we are getting the Shopify free for 3 days, no credit card required. By entering your email, you agree to receive marketing and Shopify address. You just need to enter your email here. Then option 2 is look for a special link from Shopify partners or content creators. Sometimes they offer exclusive extended trials. Option 3, keep an eye out of major sales seasons like Black Friday. Shopify sometimes extended trials during big events. Once you find the offer, just click start free trial, pick your store name, and you are in. No extra coupon code needed. We already created an account, as you can see it. So we are getting 3 days trial over that place. Just go back to the home page, and here you can see 3 days left in your trial. Your trial ends on July 11th. Select a plan to get your first 3 months for $1 per month. So I am getting this plan in my country. That's why I got this one. So why you use it now? Because the longer you trial, the more time you have to set up your store properly, test products, and even start building an audience before you ever pay a cent. If you are serious about launching your business, take advantage of the free trial, get your site ready, and only upgrade when you are ready to launch to customer. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I am here to help you build your fast Shopify store. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.